Hi, and welcome to my Amazon video review of this thing right here. It is a charger that accepts 4 different USB cables, and let me read the name of it. It's called a Skiva PowerFlow SmartQuad Q1 4-port smart USB charger that is 9.6 amps or 48 watts. So basically it means this has the 4 ports, and it comes with the box, the charging base, the power cord, and a very short instruction manual. And then you plug the power cord into here. And let me give you a close-up of it. So it has the 2-pronged power cord. This plugs into this. And then you have this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And they are all regular USBs. Oh, and then let me show you the very back of this. So this has all the details, which this one, let's see, okay. This one's the important detail. They are all 2.4A each, which means that if your phone or device support super fast charging, then it will charge very, very quickly. So let me show it in use. You just plug it into a cord like this, and then I'll give you the close-up of the only thing that shows it working. So it has this blue light on. And then I have 4 different devices that I can plug in via USB to start charging. So my lamp, my phone, my Kindle, and my battery pack. And then, let me see, okay, so you have all of these cords, and as you can see, battery pack is charging. Kindle is indicated by this orange light is charging. Phone is charging. And this thing right here doesn't have any way to indicate it, but I guarantee you that it's charging. So this is really, really cool because with one thing you get 4 super fast charging ports, and it's pretty awesome. And that's my Amazon video review. Thanks very much.